As you dress, that's how you will be addressed. Doesn't necessarily only apply to you as a person, it also applies to your business. How do you present your business? Do you want people to start taking your business more seriously? And you need to start treating your business seriously yourself. Do you want to send invoice to your clients and you want them to really take you serious? You can send a free invoice from your phone. And not only that, your customers or clients can make payment directly from the link where they can pay through their card, through USSD code, and many more options. If this sounds like something your business needs, then keep watching this video. And the app we'll be using for this is Bumpa. If you do not have a Bumpa account, click the link in the description that says download Bumpa. Go ahead, download the app, register, and start making your own invoices and other business services. You can add products. You can set up your shop where people can buy directly online. You can record your number of customers. You can track how many people visited your website, and so on and so forth. To set up an invoice in Bumpa, what you need to do is first create an order. You will see at the bottom row where it says create order, click the red icon or click the icon in the middle at the bottom part of the screen. So this will bring you to your order page, and as you can see, as a new business, you don't have any order on this page. If you've been using Bumpa for a while, you will see a list of all the different orders you've gotten in recent time. So you can now create a new order by clicking record sales here, or click the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. The first thing you want to do is put in the order date. Is this a service you've rendered in the last 1 week, in the last month, in the last few days, or the service is to be in the future? What dates do you want to record for this order? Click on the date and you can easily go through the screen, select whatever date it is, whether it's in the past or is in the future. Just click whatever dates you want to put on the invoice. The next line says select customer, which is optional. If you have customers you've added already inside your Bumpa, you can select one of them. If you don't have customers inside your Bumpa before, you can add a customer from here. So put in their name, then put in their phone number, and an optional field which is more details. You can put in their email address, you can put in their handles, and you can add notes. But for now, let's leave it at this. Let's say this is the client or customer we want to send this invoice to. Then click on the customer's name. Now it's time to select your sales channel. Is this sales you did physically? Is this something you are selling on Instagram, on WhatsApp? Where exactly? Konga, Jumia, TikTok? The possibilities are endless. So let's say it's a physical product or a physical service. We leave it on physical sales. Then you click what product did you sell? Products. You can see you don't have any list of products, so you can go to select products if you've listed products here before. And if you don't have any product listed before, or is a one-time product or a bespoke product, then click on new product, put in the name of the product. This can be anything at all. It can be a car, it can be wig, it can be a pen, it can be a PlayStation device, it can be anything at all. It can be graphic design service, it can be web design services, anything at all. Just put in the name of the product you're selling or you've sold, then put in the amount, then click on add product. You can see now we have on the product selection part, we have home service 1, and you can see the amount right in front of it. Now you see the subtotal, which is the amount of what you're selling. If you want to add another product, you can easily click new product and you add another product. This will update the amount. If there's a shipping fee, you click on shipping fee. You can easily create new shipping rate here, or select anyone that is on this page. To add a new shipping rate, just click the plus icon again at the top right corner. Are you offering any discount on this particular product or service? Just click on discounts. This will bring you to the discount page. Then put in the discount amount. This will update the amount the customer will be paying. As a business owner, you need to collect tax. If you've not factored in tax into the price of the product, click on tax. This is where you can add value-added tax, which is 7.5%, which is mandatory by the laws of Nigeria for you to collect on behalf of the government from any customer or client that is paying you for any service or product. You see, with the tax and everything we've added, it has brought the price to 53,750 naira. Do you want to add any notes for the customer? You can put that in here. And if there's nothing you want to add to the order as a note, you can leave it. The next thing you need to do is record sales. Click record sales at the bottom part of the screen, and this will save your order. You can share this order directly from this page, or Go back to the other page. Now you see we have an order listed for Craig Olubi. Click on the order. You can contact Craig directly from here through phone call or through WhatsApp. This will help you keep track of all the invoices that are unpaid, and you can easily update your customers from inside Bumpa. What can you now do with this order? You can record payment if you've been paid. You can send payment request if they haven't paid you. This is after you sent invoice and you haven't gotten payment. You can send another payment request to them. If this is a physical product that needs to be shipped to a physical address, you add shipping address and you put in all the details here. You've added shipping address. You can print shipping slip from here. It has been generated. You can forward it to your dispatch rider or to your courier service. Why we are here is to actually see how you can send an invoice to your customer or client. So click on send invoice, and this will take a few seconds. Load your invoice, generate it, save this invoice to your device by clicking save on file or save to phone on Android, or click send to WhatsApp by clicking the WhatsApp icon. You can send it via mail, you can send it via text message. Let's say we want to share this invoice through WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp business, find your client on your list, select and click on next. This will show you a preview of the receipt. Then you click on forward, which will forward this invoice to your client or customer. You can as well share this order directly with your customer. This will be a link straight to your store website, which Bumpa has created for you automatically. Click on share order and let's repeat the process. Before you proceed sending this message, you can customize the body of the message, add any details you want, or add payment details, whatever information you want to include in this message. Click send, and this will send the invoice to your customer. This is how your customer sees your message on WhatsApp. Let's click on the invoice and see how it looks. Your customer now sees the details of what they are paying for with the tax included. They can easily save the invoice or screen grab or do anything they want with it. The second message that was sent to them, which is the link to your store where they can make payment directly, let's click on it and see what happens. They see your business name at the top of the page. They see the order number. They see the status of the invoice. Now this is the details of the payment, 53,750 naira, and they can easily make a payment by clicking this link that says make payment. This will load the payment page. You can collect your payment via card, transfer, bank or USSD code, and any other means that is here. They will see the account number to pay to. Immediately they make this payment, it will reflect in your Bumpa account. Then you can draw your money from Bumpa into your bank account. Simple as ABC. Tell me why anybody will not take your business serious and why they won't want to make your payment. Apart from creating invoices in Bumpa, you can do so many things. You can run sales on Bumpa. You can properly design your web page, put all your products. People can buy directly from your page, and people can easily pay you directly from your website. Yes, you are new to Bumpa, and you can easily manage all your customers here. You can see the different campaigns you've created here on Bumpa. Yes, Bumpa is free, but there are a few limitations on Bumpa. To make things easy for you and everything you can think of regarding Bumpa, how to set up your store, how to add product, how to manage your customers, how to run sales, how to create new campaigns, how to withdraw your money from Bumpa, how to add money in Bumpa, business analytics, your transactions, store information, how to create a custom domain name on Bumpa. You can connect so many apps inside Bumpa, bank information, Paystack account, your Google account, and so many other things. You can see bank details here. You can put in all your bank details and you'll be able to withdraw straight into your bank from Bumpa. You can record your expenses. You can record so many things inside Bumpa. This gives you room to manage your business properly and professionally. If you want to know how to use Bumpa, we've made a full-blown course and different videos on how to use Bumpa and introduction to Bumpa. Just click the link in the description that says scale your business with Bumpa. If there is a video you would love to see as well, you can leave that in the comment section and we will work on it. My name is Tayo and this is Billionaire Bridge. I hope this video has been helpful. If you love this video, kindly share with your friends and family and business owners you know this video might be helpful for. Leave us a thumbs up. If you have a question, just leave it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video once again. My name is Tayo. This is Bill Bridge, and until next time, stay profitable.